so you can see, guys, here I picked this up at the auto salvage. Just got done cleaning her up, and as you can see here, she has really perfect seat cushions. So yeah, I cleaned up it was actually missing the top here out of the salvage. I got it for $35. This will go in the old white truck because it has the old work package. So this will be the start of this video. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the truck, and we got a lid coming from Amazon for 20 bucks brand new, and we'll put a new lid on it, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so you can see here, this is the interior I have now, and it has this console here, you know, that doesn't fold down. So we're gonna you have to take these seats all the way out, basically take the bolts out on both sides, and then this will lift down and you can slide the new one in. So let me get to it here, taking the seats out, and we'll see how the new console will look, even though I don't have the new lid yet. Should look pretty good. Alright, so you can see I removed the front two right here. Not a big deal. They are size 15 is what I used. It goes on here just right. It's 15 sockets. So now let me so the back is a different size, as you can see here. Alright, so you can see we got the seat out here. Now this specific one had two connectors, so make sure you take those off, but you can see how this thing overlays over. And then of course it'll allow me to do some cleaning in here. So now we'll go to the other side and get that one out. Alright, as you can see here, we got this side out, and this one has one connector as well. Don't forget that, with a little cover. And as you can see here, we got some hidden treasures. We have, the hell, I don't know what that is. We got, oh, we liked Bud Light. We got a little cross. We got 2 peppermints. Yeah, we got a quarter. A couple of pennies. 3 pennies. Oh man, we're rich. I'm rich. So yeah, we'll pull this right out. As you can see, it comes right out after that. And put the other one in. Alright, so here's a little comparison of what we're doing. As you can see, the bases are exactly the same. It's just this one is a console that folds down. This one does not. So this is where we're going at, and we got a lid for that coming. So don't blast me, because where the hell's the lid? We got one coming. Alright, so you can see here how that mounts up, just like normal. Alright, we got it all back together, which we still don't have the lid yet, but as you can see, it looks just like factory. It's got dark on me though, but yeah. Just like that, in case you wanted to use the seat. Just like so. Alright, so we got the new lid in here. As you can see, I took the bottom off of it. It comes with some springs and all that, and a new rod. So we're going to try to figure out how this bad boy goes right in here. So let's see if we can get her put together. All right, it took a little finessing on figure out how these springs and stuff and this little bracket go together, but this is about the best solution I could come up with. So this little piece attaches here, and put your tabs in there, and as you can see, the spring loads it up. All right, guys, after further looking into this, there's actually holes drilled into here that you put these little tangs in, because what happened was after I put this on, it has to have clearance to be able to come in here like that. So that's how I found out something wasn't right. So you have the little curve hooks go up here on this piece, and you'll have holes right in there. See, I didn't know all this because there wasn't a lid on this when I got it, so had to try to figure it out online. All right, so there we go, guys. Brand new lid. Brand new looking interior.